the most energized Nigerian, the number one, the winner of the Lucas Ebo Freestyle TV Show Season 2 is Hilary Chinonso.
To be the best.
Young Drake Production.
Hilary Jackson, Hilary Jackson,
Jackson,
GV, Hilary Jackson, Jackson, Hilary Jackson, Dance Machine, Jackson, Forijo, Forijo, Pasajo, Pasajo, Panujo, Panujo, Papajo, Papajo, Pojujo, Pojujo, Hilary Jackson, I'm a dance machine. Like, nobody do like you do. I will enjoy, oh, 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 oh. Hilary Jackson, I'm a dance machine. Like, nobody do like you do. I will enjoy, oh, oh, oh. Jackson, Hilary Jackson, dance machine. Jackson, Forijo, Forijo, Pasajo, Pasajo, Panujo, Panujo, Baraje, Baraje, Pasajo, Pasajo, Baraje.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Yes. There you see the video of that guy. You never see anything. You never see anything because this guy like this, once you see him, you go feel say it's Michael Jackson who have returned back from the dead. Understand now? But it not be Michael Jackson, you know. But my name is Michael actually. So I can't feel. So if you get Hilary and Michael Jackson on the set, you get me now. You get me now. See your face. Why you do face like sports beans like this? You just like say you don't even dey here at all. Safe. So I just dey talk, you just dey laugh. Ladies and gentlemen, all right, I'm gonna help me make welcome Hilary Jackson. Huh? Ow! Huh? Yeah! Huh? Yeah! Hey! Woo! Ow! Hey! Huh? Hey! Ow! Hey! Over there, daddy! Jay! Huh? Hey! Wow! Hey! Hey! He don't do. Before you make me the respect. Not try. Hilary! Man, you're welcome. Sit down, yeah. How far?
Thank God they push and well.
Wait, this thing where you start to do like this. Wait. Say, since we can first start from history, on the history pin like this now. Because this thing they bring money like this.
By God's grace, they bring money.
By God's grace.
Yeah.
Because normally on Thursdays like this, we they bring a person where they look alike like one other artist. So, but we'll say your own now. I'm not going to bring you as look alike. We'll bring you as guest. Because you now performer, you be entertainer. And they always make people, when they watch you for stage, most time they like to see the whole thing and everything. So you don't follow Jackson since you're small. You just not wake up, you also say you get the moves, somebody.
No, actually, those days Mom say no, they let us come out for house.
Oh, they lock his house?
Yes, now upstairs thing, say make you not come down, no, must not see you go play ball.
Okay.
So those days now, video cassette now, they'll just put this Michael Jackson song, Don't Stop Till You Get Enough, yeah. And those Billie Jean.
Don't stop till you get enough. Okay.
So when I see those shiny socks, you know, the backslide, I would look, say, now tire this guy put for leg. So every time I always just look the thing, they press slow. And so I can learn on small. If I go class, front of class, just come outside, do and people go clap, you know. Like play. And then they say the thing will become.
So that means you perform for class that time?
Yes, definitely.
That one they don't agree you do for us. You go carry and go school. Say, okay, maybe that time when I just do on break, just come for the class. Exactly. Say, how? And you can't slim, join the whole thing. So you can't work for your body. I see one fat Jackson one day. Then make I slap the guy here. So God, please go and feed your family. What's wrong with you? But for you, so now you're really heavy this.
Actually, I dey fix hair. And I dey do.
But when
I get plenty hair.
you get naturally plenty
Natural,
hair.
yes. But you know, say as the game be now, you have to be creative. Make people
Yes.
just talk. Say,
Of
wait till this one.
Of course.
And those things they bring the money, and they bring the market.
So your parents now, your mama now, or your we no agree you that year. How they think they look you down say, my son, I'm Hillary Jackson. I mean, how they think they receive your
Actually, now they see I'm not like serious business now because I remember one fateful day like that where I go show, and then they give me 50K for show and Chris Okoti. So when he just invite me come to church, I just do dance performance and I just do dance. He give me 50,000.
Just for
first
come
breakthrough
perform.
with that, just
Yeah.
to come perform. Because when I reach house, as I give mom, see 10K there. In fact, the prayer turning, everything changed. Now even they call me Jackson.
Need your mother feel they just tell you say you sabi moonwalk. I feel teach you.
No. Actually, those days, she really support me, but you see, Popsy not green. They look at like, say,
Popsy, then
which
let's
kind
get
of
the
serious
wahala.
person be this
Yes,
one. We
yes,
send you
yes.
go school. I remember that time when I did primary school, when they tell my Popsy, say, okay, come school, your picking one represents this school for dance competition.
dance.
They begin verse, say, my mates, they represent
For
student for quiz.
for quiz.
And all that, they represent school. Me, I can't come here and say, I dance. So, you not really support the thing at all.
But now wait. If now you be parents, we use a thing as you say your pikin goes to go read. What they say? The only thing when you do, not be book, you come and come follow people take contest too. Now for dance, you be cultural dancer. What's wrong with you?
But actually, I just thank God because after the whole challenge and all that, He still sight me. God still sight me, still bring me out. You know,
Yes.
and things can't turn around for me. I not believe say I go ever use dance collect money. I just stick in a play thing, just come class, make my friends laugh.
Yes.
Dey front of class, do backslide, do moonwalk. They will say, which one be this one? Show us, no, those kind like play before I know. They change my name from Hillary to Hillary Jackson. They just make the name the rhyme. So begin calling Michael Jackson. So one faithful day like that, I go one birthday, and that's why I dance. One man spray me 10K. That time they work as security.
Oh, you be dey do security
They
work.
do security work, they hustle and they go school, they do
Yes,
part-time
yes,
for
yes.
Polytechnic. That time I did Lagos State Polytechnic.
Okay.
So they do them now. So one faithful day now, I just say do birthday party. You know, so I use security and I will do around. So one Michael Jackson guy can't dance. He dance about. He say this guy not
He
dance.
not try, he not
Now
try.
I beg him, so I beg, just give me this consumer, I show you.
Oh, so wait. So, so you can't collect person destiny. You just say, guy, I beg, just borrow me. If I be that guy, okay, when you come perform, what will happen?
Actually, when I perform, if I they like the performance, even the guy say follow, they happy. So when they spray me the small change 10K, inside collect 2K inside. And my salary,
For uniform, for the uniform sake.
and my salary that time 7,800. So
Casa.
I can't look everything. Say, Kai, now me
bless
dance
you.
like this. As I not go to work again. I just resign. A week later, I just resign. Again, put my face for the dance. Sometimes if I just dey work out for Sunday, I go wear Michael Jackson. People go say, this guy don't mad. They work out, go wear Michael Jackson, go wear socks. Like play. All those children go see me. Michael Jackson, no school children. Now Michael
yes,
Jackson, Michael.
yes.
Before I know. So the fan base begin to increase small.
Increase,
Before no
increase.
packaging begin enter. God just do am. So just-
Bam, and today you do on top of the late night show. You see us live TV. Yes. You know, but na very good story. You understand? For me, for any young person with outside there, anything wey fit gather, make people gather for you. Say they just want see. Say maybe na talk you dey talk. Maybe na joke you dey crack. Maybe na say you dey dance. Maybe na say you dey sabi just normal presenting or say you dey do fashion or one thing. That thing na God don give you to take, carry you go the next level for life. Now your hand can't remain now to make sure say you package everything, put branding, put this one join, can't carry everything, can't go the next level. You understand? And another story now with the very, very inspiring. You understand? For the fact say you don't do security guard.
no small.
That means anybody wey dey outside there, you can be something. No, whether you dey do security guard, you dey do any kind of work you dey do, you dey do kole work, you can still have a future for yourself.
Definitely.
But starting points dey always dey for anybody.
Definitely, na so it be. Now.
So we don first play one video just now wey be your own song.
Yeah.
Because that for me na the best thing be that. You understand?
So
Say
what I just dey try bring be say, so we don't get music industry, but this
Yes.
dance never be market. So what I
Yes.
want try do be say, if they call for instance, now say you call Whiskey for show to perform music, you call people like Basketball to perform for comedy. You go one call Hillary Jackson self to perform for dance.
Exactly.
So everything na to promote the market. So what I do they do be say, I just say like Hillary Jackson featuring Whiskey. Whiskey go do the song, then me go do the dance. Just as exclusive they do,
Yes,
So
and
now
how
they
they-
try
yes,
brand with that. So
yes.
this one I just drop am based on say, and last year I do am. and people respond well, people like them. So, but this year will be something hotter by God's grace.
And you win one of those
Competition
that
so
year.
fast.
We even get the video, say we go play them now. We get the video of that particular competition where you win. So, and after that video, we'll count because you go perform for us for this show now
No wahala.
to take care of everybody waiting for house.
No
Okay,
wahala.
so when we see that video from Eli Jackson, that particular one, we can win things. All right, then I do small Michael Jackson thing for the video and everything. Okay, so now no go anywhere. I see the late night show and Hilary Jackson. See they with us inside the building. No go anywhere. We will come back.
She was more like a beauty queen of a movie scene. I said, don't mind, but what do you mean? I am the one who would dance on the floor and around. She said, I am the one who would dance on the floor and around. She told me her name was Billie Jean as she caused a scene. Then heavy hair turned with the ice dream of being the one who would dance on the floor and around. People always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. And mother always told me, be careful who you love. Be careful what you do. 'Cause the lie becomes the truth. Billie Jean's not my love. She's just a girl. That I am the one. But the kid is not my son. She says I am the one. But the kid is not my son. Your blood is mine. Okay, right. Just show your face. Roll it. I'm giving you all I feel. When I hurt your mind, don't you show rock all night. Dance you in sunlight. Rock all night on a rocky night. Your blood is mine. Okay, right. Just show your face. Roll it. I'm giving you all I feel. When I hurt your mind, don't you jump on, get on, alright. But they say the sky's the limit, and to me the limit too. My friend, you have seen nothing. There's a way so I get through because I'm bad. Jump on, you know I'm bad. You know I'm bad. Jump on, and the whole world has to answer right now just to tell you once again who's bad. It's supposed to be
On my old age, oh. Hey, see a dick. Let's leave the team for the men who know how to do it professionally. All right, so now see Hilary Jackson be that, and then at the Kofi show where he been performed last year, November. All right, so Hilary Jackson sit there with us for here, and I say we don't clear everywhere like this, because Hilary go do some kind things for us now. But Hilary, quickly before we continue with that particular song where you perform for us just now, more songs they come from you.
Yeah, definitely by God's grace. This one I want to do now, where people want to see.
Okay.
Now the video I want to shoot.
Okay.
Like to Hilary Jackson. Me, I know they sing. I'm a dancer.
Okay.
But what I do, I the feature artist.
Okay.
This one, I feature Kezie.
Okay.
And it's titled Hilary Jackson, the disco dancer.
All right.
In a couple of months now, we're about to shoot.
Okay, so you feature Kezie for this one.
Yes, Kezie.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, I go leave now for the hand of Hilary Jackson. You go perform one kind thing for us now, and after this one, you go give us the full Jackson feel in the building. All right, so now don't go anywhere. Now see the late night show. Hilary Jackson.
Start again. But-
Jackson. Call me that disco dancer. I'm Hilary 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 Jackson. Call me that disco dancer. Let's dance. Let's break. Let's roll.
Attention, attention, please. There's no waiting on the dance floor. This is the danger zone. Here comes the dance machine. 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 That's the shit. That's the shit. Hilary Jackson. Hilary Jackson. Hilary Jackson. Hilary Jackson. Hilary Jackson. Hilary Jackson. Hilary Jackson.
I'm Hilary Jackson. Call me that disco dancer. I'm Hilary Jackson. Call me that disco dancer. I'm Hilary Jackson. Call me that disco dancer. I'm Hilary Jackson. Call me that disco
Thank you very much. We love you, we love you. Hilary Jackson.
Yeah, boss.
Wicked. So much energy. Hey, my brother. You don't remind me, say, man, old age when they come for my body. It's how they pay me for a certain place like this. Yeah. Hilary, so that one are your own now, okay?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, now before I come on match for your interview now, how people go follow you on top social media? Say if they don't follow you now, say you did on top Twitter and everything. How they will follow you?
First, my Twitter handle now, Hilary Dance King.
Hilary Dance King.
Yes, at Hilary Dance King.
Hilary Dance King.
Yes. Then for Facebook now, Hilary Chinonso.
Okay. Hilary Chinonso.
Yes.
On top Facebook.
Now one L for the Hilary, Hilary space CHINONXO.
All right, so when I go follow on top Facebook and Twitter because this guy they do us proud. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we hope say when I don't enjoy every on top the late night show for today with my guy we first enter Inc. And of course Hilary Jackson on the Jackson P. Hey, oh my old age, oh. I will go to gym now. Go to try myself. Okay. So we're gonna leave and making doing performance now for the Michael Jackson teens and every live in the studio with us. All right. So from myself, Easy Beat with the command match for the team tonight. But I beg, follow us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. At W Late Night Show. Go there, give us your comments and everything. All right. So Hilary Jackson, I go leave you to do your thing now. All right. So we leave now for their hand. Good night, everybody. Mwah.